So guys, I'm going to change my tires today. Putting back my summer tires. I got my stillies over here for winter. So going back with this, I'm changing the tires to Michelin Super Sports. So we're gonna find out today if PlastiDip will survive a tire change. So yeah, so let's go to VAG Motorsport. Well guys, they survived. They're now on the car. You can see there's a little bit here. You see it here. Maybe focus. It's not focusing, so you see a little bit over here. So you're gonna have to over here. This is actually a lub. The car is very dirty, guys. But you can see here where they put the tool to take out the tire, the old tire. So you can see here it's Michelin. On the other side, Super Sport. So I put the ECS tuner spacers on the car, so now we're flush as hell. Look at this beautiful thing over here. Ain't that beautiful? Sorry for the exhaust over here, electronic turbo back exhaust. But yeah, that's 15 millimeters in the back, and I think it just looks awesome. Look at that. So yeah, so PlastiDip will survive tire change, guys. So over here you can see a little more damage over here, so definitely gonna have to redo it. Look at all this shit over here. So definitely gonna have to redo it. And just keep in mind, if you guys have the lock covers, the black lock covers, I can show you the other side. Sorry for the wind noise. These things right here, you're gonna have to rebuy a couple of them, because with the lock nuts, well, they won't fit anymore. And you can see here I'm missing 2 on this side. I think the guy lost them, a couple. I'm missing 2 here and 5 on the other side. Over here they're all complete. This one's not even good. There, spacers. So yeah, in the front, I can show you in the front what it looks like. So I think this is perfect fitment for me. I like a static car more than anything. Not for the wind, guys, a lot of wind here. So yeah. So you can see, uni, man, the way to go. So yeah, I'll give you another look at that fitment over here. That's just beautiful right there. Alright, thanks guys.